all Italian, Italian theme.
Lots of hip hop music videos by the hip hop producer Scott Storch. If you guys don't know who that is, he is the creator of this beat right here.
I know Scott Storch.
The creator of that beat used to throw a lot of music videos here, and also used to.
Yeah, it's great. Well, welcome home, basically, right?
I can go. I'm also Cuban.
What's going on?
I'm also Cuban!
You're also Cuban! I know, that's right. The Cubans are
You
always
look
down
beautiful!
with us.
Known for the curvature and the designs of her buildings all over the world, and coincidentally.
Time around it. That is the house of the Miami Heat, also known as Arena Casella. Así distinto una vez el edificio blanco redondeado entre la casa de los Miami Heat, también conocido como la Arena Casella. On the ride, una city run off the cruiser. Lo de los cuadros ya es un tema.
Estoy diciendo que se ponga una de Nike.
In a house. If you have kids with you, please keep them at your side at all times. Stepping up the chairs, moving the chairs, running. It's the first attraction of our tour. Vamos a empezar con la primera atracción de este tour, and it's gonna be on your left. You're gonna see this big white building kind of around it. That is the house of the Miami Heat, also known as Arena Casella. Así distinto una vez el edificio blanco redondeado entre la casa de los Miami Heat, también conocido como la Arena Casella. On your right, una city run off the cruiser. Vamos a empezar con la primera de nuestras mansiones y va a estar a su mano izquierda en la isla San Marcos. You're gonna start to see our photo. Yellow mansion with brown roof. Yellow mansion with brown roof. Actor Antonio Banderas. from movie like El Zorro, Puss in Boots, Next, mansion got a break like a rock. That belongs to the famous. Ustedes checan el código postal de esta isla, se dan cuenta que es la isla más cara en los Estados Unidos. La isla Fisher a su izquierda. And now, on your right, you're gonna see the car. Now, my friends, we're getting back to Bayside. Woo! Vamos de regreso a Bayside. And the last question of this tour, la última pregunta de este tour, is if you have a good time. ¿Se divirtieron, chicos? Solamente $5 por persona. Obviamente, si quieren colaborar con más, será muy bien agradecido. Igualmente lo dividimos con toda la tripulación, así como solo para mí. Also, guys, listen to me very, very careful. If you have a complaint, please write in a $20 bill and put it on my pocket. I'll give that away to my boss. Chicos, si tienen una queja, me la escriben en un billetito de...
Called the 1000 Museum. It was designed by an Indian architect who unfortunately passed away just before the building was done. Her name was Zaha Hadid. The 1000 Museum, we're gonna see it once we move forward, will be to the left. It has balconies in the corner, and it has dark blue Inter-Miami owner David bedrooms, and from 5 to 8,000 square footage. By far the best one yet. $30 for adults, $20 for kids. Features a nice aquarium inside, big fishbowl, and it belongs to a famous doctor by the name of Philip Frost. Also, his wife co-owns the Frost Museum, Patricia Frost. Dr. Philip Frost helped create the COVID vaccine with the company Pfizer, and also, what else? Anybody know what Pfizer also creates? Lines, Virgin Voyage, Norwegian, Royal Caribbean, Celebrity Cruises. The biggest cruise ship in the world at the moment is called Icon of the Seas, which belongs to Royal Caribbean. Did you guys know about the news of what happened at the Icon of the Seas? You heard, right? Well, one of the crew members stabbed a passenger. I don't know what was the purpose, but then he threw himself in the water. So there was two murders. Well, he committed suicide basically by jumping in, and that happened a couple days ago. And yesterday, I believe it was yesterday, the day before yesterday, the icon was in Star Island. If not, we're gonna have to do a U-turn.
Yeah, you see the helicopter? Something. There's one over there. Look, he's actually going to do it.
For over 30 years. Emilio and Gloria Estefan. That is their main house. And the next entrance is their recording studio, which is as big as their main house. And they also have a 2-story guest house. Lots of hip-hop music videos by the hip-hop producer Scott Storch. If you guys don't know who that is, he is the creator of this beat right here.
I know Scott Storch.
The creator of that beat used to throw a lot of music videos here, and also used to belong to the CEO of Cash Money Records, one of the CEOs, Birdman, Brian Williams. He used to live there. $2 million per day. Only open 7 days out of the year. That's all they need to keep the business intact. If you do want to rent this place out for a major event or something that you want to do for your family or any event that you want to host, they charge you a flat fee of $15,000, and then you can host your event here in Toe Jam Backlot. Here.
That's right. It's gonna be all Italian.
Hey,
They put you all the way all over.
come over here. Come over here. Hello, hello,
You
hello.
don't speak English, me neither. It's true. I was born and raised in Germany. I live here since almost 8 years now. Where
Me
are you
too.
from? Cuba! Yeah, it's great. Well, welcome home, basically, right?
I can go. I'm also Cuban.
What's going on?
I'm also Cuban!
You're also Cuban!
I know that's right. The Cubans are
You look beautiful!
Always. I'm screaming. Woo-hoo. Look at
I stay faithful in a room full of must be the fellows who in tune with a soul. Depending how you dress up. So if the devil wear Prada, Adam, Eve wear nada. Nothing
Her nickname was Queen of the Curve. She was known for the curvature and the designs of her buildings all over the world. And coincidentally, Queen of the Curve is also Captain Ted's stage name and his second job on South Beach. So if you guys don't have plans later tonight, go support your local artists. I hope you have some discounted tickets for gas nicely when you get off the boat.